हॅलो एव्हरीवन. आज आपण करणार आहे प्रॅक्टिकल 16:2 जर्सी स्क्रीन विथ कॅपॅसिटी 148 IC आपण किल मध्ये ॲज वेल ॲज प्रोटोटाइप करणार आहे. लेट्स डू दॅट. फर्स्ट वी नीड टू ओपन द प्रोटो सॉफ्टवेअर just like that, and the all softwares link are available in the video description as well as in the I button. You can click that and download and install and do the practical as I'm doing with me. Now let's start with the new project. Click here on new project, and you should give the name of the project like that here 16_2 LCD with LPC2148. You can do any name, but you should remember that name. That is the main motive. And do the path. I am giving path example desktop. I am creating new folder called LCD with LPC2148, and then click here OK, and then select this folder. In that folder we have also creating a kill file also, so that is the reason I have created that folder. So in that one folder contain photos file as well as hex file and kill file also, and then you have to click on next. After that we want to create a schematic. This is by default, just select next, and we don't want to use the PCB layout for this project now. So do not get PCB layout as it is. Then click here the next, and we have to use firmware. So click here create firmware project, and family you have to choose family ARM7. Our controller is ARM738 LPC138. 38 and 48 both are nearly same, but only two or three functions are more available on LPC2148. So that is the main reason. And you should remember, you should select CC for ARM compiler. If you don't have that compiler, then click here compilers, and you are able to see the here icon download. So click that button download, and you should download automatically from internet, and make sure you have integration properly. After that you have to install that whole setup file, and after that just click here check all, and it should check every compiler in your system. If it is available, then it shows it available here, and then press OK. If you don't have, then follow this process. Now we are selected GCC for ARM, and then click next, and then finish. Here we can write the code, and here we need to create a schematic for GCD. We have to add I have selected component mode, and then I have selected logic component, and then you have to write here LCD space 16. After that we are using 16:2 alphanumerical LCD screen, that is I have selected here, and then just double click that, and it is automatically added here. As you can see, it's added, and that's it for this picking component. After that we need to pick place that component. I have just selected that. First click here, and you should click here, and then you have to place the component where you want. So I am placing LCD screen just like here. So connection is important. So we have to write the program. This is our main program. Now this is the delay program. Then LCD command, character command program, then LCD in program. Here you can see the ports, which port we are using, and LCD string, LCD character, and then here is the actual name which we want to print on LCD screen. Let's do the first. How to compile this program? It is the main. First, you have to save the program. So that this is the icon. So project is saved, and just we have to click here, build project. As you can see here, it's built successfully, and you want to build in different way. Then click here build, and then click here build project. Time is already completed. So just now we are connecting the connections wire. Then for that, this RS wire is connected to the pin number 27. Then RW belong that, and this wire is connected to the pin number 0.6. This 0 pin is connected to the pin number 34. And for VS account in simulation, we not need to do this. It automatically get from the software itself. If you want, you can connect. If you don't want, you can don't connect. It doesn't matter in simulation. Now let's run the program. Here is the icon. Run simulation. As you can see, my name is printed on the LCD screen. It is that much simple. Now our first part is done. Now let's run same program on kill. So for that we need to open the kill. This is the version we are using. If you don't have this version, let me show you. Kill version 4.74.0.22. If you don't have this version, just click the I button here, and you are able to download. We need to create a new project. For that, we need to go to the tab project, then a new project, and then here we have to pick the path as well as give the location, and this is our path, and give the file name. File name is LCD 16_2 space with LPC2148. Then press save. Name like LPC2148 from NXP. Then press OK. Then yes, we should add the startup file. Otherwise, our program is not able to run on simulation. So you have to press yes. And then target is created. Just click here plus icon, and then again press here plus icon, and then just right click on source group 1. Then you have to add a new file, then select C file, then again give the same file name. Other you can give any other. I am writing like LCD 16_2, then add. This is our file is added. Click here build project, then it should give the 0 errors. As you can see, 0 errors or 0 warning means our program is successfully completed and there is no error. Now we are creating the hex file. How to create hex file? Just click here option for target, and then output, and then we have to select create hex file, and then press OK. And after that we need to again compile the program. For that, just click here, or just go to the source group, right click there, and press you can see there build target. So our hex file is already created. Let's see where is our hex file. This is the folder, and that's it. This is our hex file we have created. Now just open the Protos again. We already have that. Yes. Now what I am doing, I am just removing source code from here. We have just do the hex file to this controller. How to do that? Just double click the controller here on, as you can see, program file. Just you can able to see the folder icon. Just click there and go to the location where you saw the project. As you can see, in my case, I have already created a folder on desktop called LPC with LPC2148. In that, I have created that hex file using kill, and now we are open that hex file and then press OK. And now let's run the program again. As you can able to see, my name is printed there.
अब तुम लोग गलती से अगर नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो, वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उस पे अपने जीजा जी फेंक के मारो या फूफा जी, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए।